Charcoal, as an ancient and versatile material, has been widely used in modern society. Different types of charcoal have their own characteristics and meet the needs of various industries. Hookah charcoal is used to heat hookah. It is stable, smokeless, and odorless, improving the smoking experience. Barbecue charcoal is high temperature and long-lasting, making it ideal for outdoor barbecues. Biochar is made from the cracking of biomass, improves soil, increases crop yields, and is widely used in agriculture and environmental protection. Activated carbon has strong adsorption capacity and is often used in air purification, water treatment, and other fields to protect health. Industrial carbon is widely used in metallurgy, chemical industry, and battery manufacturing. It is resistant to high temperatures and has strong electrical conductivity. Incense charcoal releases fragrance and is often used in religious ceremonies and home aromatherapy to create a peaceful atmosphere. Artistic charcoal has a soft texture and is suitable for sculpture and painting. It is a good material for artistic creation. The diversity and wide range of uses of charcoal make it play an important role in various fields, demonstrating its irreplaceable value.